Today's topic in this video is series in Excel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Please click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new videos we post. And if you like the contents of this channel, please hit the like button and also share it with other people. So let's get on to the topic now. These are the different series we are going to learn today to create in Excel. So the first is the months. Supposing we want to type the months January, February, March, etc. All we need to do is type the name of the month. It could be any name of the month and select the cell and use the fill handle. You'll automatically get all the months of the year. If you want the short form of the month, then all you need to do is type the short form of the month for any one of the months, select it and use the fill handle. Automatically, the rest of the months should appear. Similarly, the next portion is the weekdays we are going to see. So for the weekdays, let's say we are going to type, say, Wednesday. Select it and use the fill handle. Automatically you will get the rest of the days. Now if you want the short form of the day, then type the day and select it once again and use the fill handle to get the short form of the day. Next we come to serial numbers. Serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 we can create in any manner you want. But if it is a huge set of numbers, say from 2000 to 2500 or 2000 to 3000, you can create it very easily. So for this, type the number, press enter, select it, go to the home tab and go to series, and in series, because I want it in the same column, I'm going to select column. I'm selecting linear here and I want numbers 2001, 2002 and say I want to stop at 2200. Okay, so I'll type this and click on OK. You can see over here that the numbers have been updated and you can see the last number here, right? So in this manner, you can create a series which is a continuous set of numbers. If the series are not continuous set of numbers, there's a much easier way to do it. Like you want say 10, 20, 30, 40 or 11, 22, 33 like that. Then type the numbers of the first two numbers of the series. Select them, use the fill handle and create the series of numbers. Now, when it comes to dates, if you want dates of a month to come continually, then you can actually do this. Like, supposing we are in the month of May 2023. So, I want the dates for all the days of the month. So, I will type 1/5/2023. This is the date I want to use. I'll select this. I'll go to home and I will go to series. In series here, I will select column because I want it in the same column and I will select date here, increment by 1 and what is the last value I want? 31/5/2023 and then I'll click on OK. So it is going to create the whole month series for me. You can see here the last date here is 31/5/2023. Right? So this is how we can create the date series. If I want to create the growth series, say from 20, that is 20, 40, 80 like that, then I will type 20 here, select the cell, go to home and go to series here, and in series I will select columns and I will select growth. And in growth, I'll put the increment skip value as 2 and see I want the values up to 700. So I will say 700 and click on OK. So you can see here the series is created by itself. You do not have to do any multiplication. So in this manner, we have learned how to create series in Excel. In the description below, we have given the links to some of the topics which are covered in the Reels of Instagram. Please feel free to access these links. And if you want any further topics to be covered on series or any further comments, please put it in the comment box.